There's a war being fought every single day. It's not on a battlefield, it's inside your mind. It's the silent war between the person you are right now and the person you swear you're going to be someday. And you are losing this war, not because you're weak, but because your own brain is a double agent, programmed to sabotage your best intentions. What if I told you we found its source code? The book is Atomic Habits, but this isn't a summary. This is an extraction of a cheat code for reality. And the final command, the master key that unlocks it all, I'm saving that for the very end. So, what's the enemy's main strategy? Making you stare at the mountain. We call them goals. I will lose 30 pounds. I will build $1 million business. But listen closely to this truth bomb from James Clear. Winners and losers have the same goals. Let that sink in. The goal isn't the differentiator. The goal is a trap. It makes you see the unbearable distance between start and finish. The secret isn't the destination. It's building a flawless road to get there. That road is your system. Forget the goal. Fall in love with the system. And your system starts with a force so powerful it governs everything. Yet it's nearly invisible. It is the 1% rule. We overestimate the importance of one giant defining moment and underestimate the value of making tiny improvements on a daily basis. Getting 1% better every day doesn't feel like much, but at the end of the year, you are not 365% better, you are 37 times better. It's the compound interest of self-improvement. Think of it like this. A single-degree shift in a plane's trajectory is unnoticeable from the cockpit, but it's the difference between landing in Paris or landing in Rome. Your daily habits are your trajectory. They are quietly steering you toward a completely different destiny. So how do you make that 1% shift, especially on days you have zero motivation? You ambush procrastination with a move so simple your brain can't fight back. It's the 2-minute rule. Whatever your goal is, shrink it down until it is laughably easy. Read 50 books this year becomes read 1 page. Run a marathon becomes put on my running shoes. This isn't about results. This is about winning the start. It's a psychological loophole. You're not trying to build a new habit. You are simply making it impossible to fail at showing up. And showing up is the first victory in the war. But all of this, the systems, the 1% rule, the 2-minute ambush, these are just the tactics. Now we discuss the strategy that changes the entire war, the paradigm shift. Are you ready? The secret to lasting change has nothing to do with what you are doing. It has everything to do with who you are becoming. This is identity-based change. And here is the line that will change how you see everything. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Stop saying, I want to get fit. Start telling yourself, I am an athletic person. What would an athletic person do? They wouldn't miss a workout, even if it's just for 2 minutes. Every time you do that tiny habit, you are casting a vote. You are building evidence. You are literally forging a new identity, one small action at a time. This is how you reprogram the double agent in your head. You don't convince it, you prove it wrong with evidence. So here it is, the master key I promised you. Decide who you want to be, then prove it to yourself with small, undeniable wins. That is the secret. That